Hello, Internet. Welcome to Making Money. My name's Eric, and this is your Daily Dollar, our financial series where I give you one financial lesson every day to help you with your finances. Today is an important lesson. We've got our sleeves rolled up here. We're going to dig in. We're talking about investing today, but probably not the type of investing you're thinking of. Today's lesson is invest in yourself. Yes, we're doing a heartwarming episode today. This is something that you've heard before, I no doubt, and it's another common principle. It's a common way of thinking when you're just living life. It applies to finance, but it also applies to life in general. The idea of investing in yourself is so core. We're talking about investing both time and money. The reason why I'm bringing this up today is I've just started my MBA, or just started back up on my MBA program after my winter break. So my MBA program is expensive and it takes a lot of time, but it's an investment in myself for the future. I'm hoping to apply this later on in life to better my position. Now, we have to look at, investing in yourself kind of similar to how you would look at investing into pretty much anything else, stocks, bonds, utilities. You want to really weigh, the good and the bad, right? How much you're spending versus what you're going to get out of it, right? Is it going to be worth it? Of course, if I put all of my life savings into getting an MBA, chances are that probably wouldn't balance out for me. I'd be spending a lot more than I would be getting out of that program. Now, I could turn that around later on in life, and that could turn out great for me. But much like, weighing risks when you're, in looking at your actual investments, investing in yourself, you really need to watch out what you're spending on. That being said, I laugh all the time because you could basically get all of the information that you get through a multi-$1,000 MBA program just on YouTube alone. You'd walk out without a certificate, but you'd still get all that information. And it's crazy. So sometimes when we talk about investing in ourselves, it's not necessarily the monetary part of it, right? Sometimes it's just the time piece, We talked about lifelong learner. You always want to learn throughout life, no matter what you're doing. That's very much a way to invest in yourself. You want to stay curious. You want to make sure that you're absorbing new information. A lot of that takes time in a lot of cases. Always look out for opportunities. This is huge when you're, again, talking about pretty much anything, but when you're talking about ways to invest in yourself, certifications for a variety of different things exist out there, and just getting information online or from other resources that you have. Taking that time to learn a new skill or, improve the ones that you have, that investment in yourself can really, help you out in the future. That being said, it requires a bit of foresight, right? You're looking at how you will turn out afterwards. And sometimes you know, and sometimes you don't know. Sometimes that's a bit of a gamble. As with most investments, we try to weigh our risks before we go into an investment. But if you're able to look ahead and identify the fact that, okay, I am going to do X, Y, or Z to better myself. This is something that I want to do, so I come out on top later on. It's important to keep that mindset going, especially as you're going on your journey, because if you just narrow in on what you're looking for in your financial journey and you don't look at anything else and you're just going down that tunnel, you're going to miss out on opportunities and ways to actually increase, your potential on this journey, increase the speed in which you can go through this journey, and potentially even increase the outcome. So investing in yourself, so important. Now, of course, this is, still kind of a core concept, a very base thing that, most people understand. But there's reasons why I'm talking about this, reasons why I'm talking about emergency funds and, identifying your values and failing faster and all of these things. It kind of may come off as kind of like a shotgun approach to, and sorry, I hit the mic there, a shotgun approach to finance lessons. But what you're really doing is you're getting the mindset of all of these different things that you have to keep in mind as you're going on your journey. Yes, we're going to teach you lessons on, actual investing, how to invest in, stocks, bonds, you name it. Options, cryptocurrency, I know that's big now. But we're also going to be talking about how to invest in yourself, what things to watch out for along the way. There's going to be a lot of information and skills that you pick up through these lessons. But while you're going through them, keep these core ideas in mind. It's okay to fail. You want to make sure you have safety nets. You want to make sure you're consistently learning and you're looking out for opportunities. Staying true to your values. All of that, incredibly important. So keep, especially these early lessons in mind consistently going forward. Make sure you're looking through all of them and you're understanding them and you're going forward with them in the back of your head. Hope that's made sense. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you like this video, feel free to like. If you're enjoying this series, feel free to subscribe. As always, you can hit up my Twitter. Not Twitter, in the description below. And I'd be interested if in hearing, how you guys have invested in yourselves in the past or opportunities that you might have missed. Feel free to leave that in the comments below. And I will see you tomorrow with another lesson, probably a core lesson. So be sure to check it out. I'll see you guys tomorrow, guys. Bye.